Finishing up with the Elenco resistance substitution box. My camera ran out of power and turned itself off. I'll see how this comes out of my computer and break it up into parts. Place the screws in the screw holes. Tighten them down with a jeweler's screwdriver. Measure what the resistance is with your ohm meter. It is set on ohms. Here's ohm. Well, set it for 200K. And it is in the right position, the leads, for measuring resistance. Connect the alligator clips to your leads. We're going to verify the position of the switches as well as check our work. We have 1 ohm. Let's change the position of the switch until we read. Let me switch this down to 200 ohms until we read 10 ohms. no position is giving us 10 ohms. I just switched it over to the other. Higher ohmage resistances. We know there's a 1 meg resistor in there. Let's try to find it. We are not finding anything. Oh, well, no wonder. Look what came loose. The negative lead. Now I'll switch back over and find the 10 ohm position. Pay attention to what you are doing. Verify that if something is not working, one of your alligator clips might have become ungrounded. Maybe a problem will be salient or obvious. Switch it down to 200. The alligator clips are in position. Let's try the higher value ones. Our resistance box is completely defective, and I think I know why. We'll open it up. Actually, before we open it up, let's try another resistor to make sure it's not my meter, because that would save a lot of time. For the battery and the meter could be getting old. Here are some resistors. Undo the leads. I can't be testing this on metal. I burned my lead bad. Might be the source of the problem. It was with my soldering iron. It was touching my resistance lead. The meter is working. So, coming toward the end of the video, I'll show you what I did wrong. It's when I cheated. I had to calibrate this anyway, but it shows you the importance of checking your work after you build a kit, or you build a circuit yourself. And here we are. This is the only two possibilities where I soldered. I can't believe it's not working. The leads. Let's check for continuity. Will we get continuity? No, we won't. We'll look at everything else. Looks in good shape. I won't bore you with this video anymore. What I'm going to do is desolder these. I'm going to strip them with the wire strippers, twist the stranded wire, use a solder sucker to remove the solder, and replace them through the holes as appropriate. This is a solder sucker. You place it over the lead when it's real hot, and it sucks up the solder. It sucks up the solder. After that, I'll reinsert the leads in the front of the board like it was supposed to be done. If that doesn't work, I'm going to return this to the person I bought it from and say that it was defective. I'm a seasoned electronics engineer, and there should not have been a problem. As you can see, there are always vicissitudes or problems in the lab. And until next time, this is Frank with Frank Reiser Video Audio Service, as well as Frank's Beautiful Rocks and Minerals. And before I let you go, I had total hip replacement. Most painful surgery in the world. Let's go over to the mineralogy lab. I want to show you one quick thing. This is the mineralogy lab bench. I gathered some minerals here that I couldn't identify after running them through their tests. I didn't try this one. And couldn't identify them. I got a new book to identify minerals. Can you identify this mineral? Yes, that is a mineral. No, you cannot. The reason why is because it is not pure. It has white, red, beautiful red color, and it But part of the test that is very important in identifying a mineral is specific gravity. And I cannot perform it unless it is a pure mineral and not mixed with any other types of minerals. That is a rock, not a mineral, and I cannot identify it. And this is Frank, with Frank's Beautiful Rocks and Minerals, and Frank Riser Video Audio Service, saying, for Frank's Beautiful Rocks and Minerals, keep looking down. And I have to come up with a catchphrase for electronics.